and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I have a new subscription box to my channel. It is called 180 Degrees. It's a lifestyle box, and I have no idea what is in this box. $39.99, $49.99. You know, I will leave a link below with what this box cost. It comes beautifully wrapped. I hate to undo it. So let's get into it. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I know snow is hitting. My son lives in Chicago, and I know that they have snow there. And just to give you a little update on my daughter, as she moved to Germany, she moved to Berlin, they had their 30th anniversary of the wall. And so I was watching the celebrations on the news to see how it went. And they actually made a replica of the wall in chocolate. So people were just bashing down the wall, and there was chocolate everywhere. So I haven't been able to talk to my daughter yet to find out if she participated in the chocolate wall. She knows her mother would have loved it, but I'm not sure if they did that. So next time I talk to her, I'll find out and give you all an update. So let's get into this box. Got to figure out which side. Oh my God, you open it up and a leaf came out. We do have some nice places to drive and see the colors of the leaves change, but not a whole lot. But this is so cute. And Body Armor Fall in Love with You. I guess this is the October box. I've had it for probably a couple weeks and just haven't had a chance to get into it. So they're not behind, I'm behind. And, oh, see if I can pick this up without everything. Do you see all the leaves and fall stuff in there? So we have more leaves. Don't know what to do with them. I'll find a spot. But the first thing that I took out is probiotic protein smoothie for immune and digestive support. So it's a plant-based. So I will definitely try this one. The next thing, oh my God, they wrapped this just so cute, is Secret Body Cleansing Wipes. There's 15 of them in here. So you can put them in the car, bring them to the gym, bring them to work, and they're an all over body wipe. I have it the right way. So I bet you these are really nice. And it's nice to get something like this, because if you like them, you know, you can go to like Walmart or your local stores and purchase them. So I know I'm going to enjoy that. We have more leaves. Then the jewelry. Bet you it's jewelry. Oh, it's earrings. They're kind of like a leopard earring. You can see them. I probably will not wear these, but I know several people that would probably enjoy them. I'm not a big earring wearer. You know, it's hard for me to wear them, so I probably wear earrings maybe once or twice a week if I'm going out somewhere, but overall, I do not wear earrings. And we have more little fun stuff. This, oh, it's a little sticker, and on the front it says, "I love you." I don't know what you do with it, but they're cute. Then there is the Spa Body Exfoliating Bath Sponge. Now this Total Keeper, who doesn't enjoy a good bath with a sponge? Enjoy a refreshing and stimulating bath or shower massage. Gently exfoliates unwanted dead skin cells, effective in stimulating blood circulation. So that's nice. There's so much fun stuff in here. Wish I would have opened it earlier. Then we have the Enhance and Define Full Healthy Lashes Soy Protein Wet n Wild Mascara. Okay. Oops, I'm dropping my leaves. The next thing, Hemp Daily Facial Oil Therapy and face oil rich with acids and vitamin E, naturally moisturizers and preserves skin and radiance. It's paraben free, sulfate free, and cruelty free. So that is a nice size oil. Fun stuff in here. Ooh. Then tissue wrapped items. Still going. Oh, it's a pumpkin. It looks like it's probably salt and pepper shakers. Okay, how cute are those? Darn, I should have opened this box when I got it. This is so cute. So this is probably the salt shaker. It's a fun box. Here's the other one. I am still going to put them out on my table. Oh, this is the pepper. And where's my adorable salt shaker? Okay, these are too cute. So we got those. And more. The Love You a Latte eyeshadow palette. And how cute. Cute. It's got that fall theme. I bet you these are great colors. And this is the box. See if you can see it. Oh my. We're rocking the fall colors. I'm not going to swatch these. I have to decide if I am going to gift it. I think these colors might, ooh, I just smacked it. They might just be a little bit too dark for me, so I will decide, but it is a beautiful palette. More. We have the Emergency 1000 milligram vitamin daily immune support. Okay, I bet you there's a lot of you out there that want this with the change in weather, and I know this stuff works really good. And this is a 2-pack. Yeah, all sorts of little goodies. Oh, creamy peanut butter on the go. You just kind of want to open it, stick your finger in it. So these are just some really all over the place healthy items. We have another creamy peanut butter on the go. And what's this beauty? The Hemp Hydrating Face Mist. So it's got hemp seed in there. But look at the size, it's glass. That is a nice size spray. I think there's still a few more things in here. This, let's see what it is. Keep calm and take Vivu of yourself. Oh, hello. This is Vaivu. I am your body's voice. Your body constantly tries to say something. No, not pizza. It can be you need to drink more water, or how about running this morning for 20 minutes and preparing quick oatmeal for breakfast. If you are ready, so am I. So I think without reading everything, they're just like these little sticks that you can test to see what you need. I will read more about them. And they do give you a 20% off discount code if you want to reorder those. So I'll read up more about it, and in the description, I'll let you know. But very interesting. Then we another little sticker thing that says choose happy. And there's one more item in this box besides all the little leafies. Louise Hay, New York Times best-selling author, Love Yourself, Heal Your Life workbook. Based on their best-selling book, You Can Heal Your Life. This is the book, and inside has a workbook, different chapters. You can write things about yourself. It's got list all your illnesses, list all your father's illnesses, exercise, write a letter. So this is a really nice book. It's got things, if you believe my job is too stressful, no one appreciates me at work. So it just kind of like analyzes you in a book that nobody will see. So this is a nice idea. So that was everything in the box. You gotta love the wrapping with all the little things they threw in there, the peanut butter, the energy, the palette. We got some mascara, the sponge, these wipes. I can't wait to try them. And we got the hemp oil, some earrings, facial oil. I can't wait to try the probiotic. And my favorite thing in the box was these salt and pepper shakers. I'll see if the man notices them when I put them on the table. And I'm just gonna see if there's a retail price. Let me know what you thought of this box. It was definitely different because it didn't focus, it focused on you. It didn't focus on just makeup, just skincare. And the Vaidu strip is a new technology that analyzes your urine and provides nutrition and lifestyle advice, unique to your body in just seconds. Download the app to get your analysis video. I don't know if it's something I'll do, but I will think about it. Then there's the Secret Body Wipes, the Wet n Wild Mascara, the Hemp Face Mist and Oil, Spa Body Bath Sponge, eyeshadow palette, peanut butters, the Emergency Daily Probiotic Smoothie, Pumpkin Shakers, and Love Yourself book. It doesn't say what it retails for, but I will definitely leave the link below if it's something that you want to get, and the price. I thought it was definitely a fun box, and they've got the pictures of the earrings on the back. So let me know in the comments what you thought of this new box for my channel. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.